Hello, my name is Danny Sudman, and I'm with Green Camps. We're a nonprofit 501c3 working with youth development and summer camps across the United States for sustainable development. My app today is about energy cost savings opportunities. So a lot of organizations or camps that we're working with aren't really sure where to start on their journey to begin implementing sustainable actions. So the app that I've developed today helps you understand what are some baseline opportunities for energy savings. So we started with some calculators looking at energy consumption of computers use. So looking at 24 hours versus being left on for 8 hours. So the ability to go at the end of the day, turn our computers off versus leaving them all the time. So let's take a look. So when we log in, our calculator and our cloud community here, our users will be able to come in, enter some data, so we can put in our electricity rate. The average is about 12 cents. Then we can follow up, we can say how many computers are we working with. So let's say we're going to do 10 computers in our office. Then we can do our computer wattage. Now the wattage varies from 65 to 250 based on a lot of factors, but we'll just go in with 150, then we'll click in our next. And it's going to run some calculators. So based on the consumption and the factors that we put in there, we can see the cost to operate the computer, we can see the number of kilowatt hours being used for the computer, as well as the pounds of CO2 being released. And so what we're trying to do, again, is create an education opportunity, and we can take those next steps to say, what do we do now with this information? We can go in and we can begin implementing actions, we can put screensavers on, we can turn our computers off, put conservation policies in place there as well. So the consideration for the app, why it's coming through to build this, is looking at user interface. So how can we create an easy system for our users to come in, enter some data, and get some good actionable information? Our next steps with the app when I return from Dreamforce is to develop some more of these calculators so we can continue getting more calculators to help educate our camp users so that they can take more actions, and I'll also be sharing this around as well. So getting our users on board, getting them in to utilize the app, and once they complete these calculators, we move them on to some of our knowledge articles to help educate them on the next steps that they can take to then educate the campers that come through their camp programs. Thank you so much.